Making your documents accessible isn't just best practice, it's essential. Foxit makes it easy to create PDF UA compliant files. UA stands for Universal Accessibility. PDF UA is a recognized international standard that ensures your PDFs can be read by screen readers and meet global standards. A client has sent me a service level agreement in Word format. I need to make sure it's accessible and PDF UA compliant before I share it with the team. In Microsoft Word, I'll go to the Foxit PDF tab and click on Advanced. In the settings, I'll switch the default settings from Standard to PDF UA1. Then I'll click OK and export the file by clicking on Create PDF. To create a PDF UA compliant file from a Word doc from within Foxit PDF Editor, go to the Convert tab, from Files, Convert to PDF Settings, and then choose Microsoft Office Word. I'll select PDF UA1 from the drop-down menu. Then I'll click on From Files again and select From File. I'll select the Word doc and click Open. On the left is a new Tags panel I can open, where I can see any tags in the document. To check for PDF UA compliance, I'll choose Preflight from the Convert tab. I'll choose PDF UA from the drop-down menu. My document is tagged, but I could choose Fix Problems in PDF tagging structure and then Analyze and Fix. This would automatically fix any issues. I'll select Verify Compliance with PDF UA1 and choose Analyze. In the Results window, Preflight found nothing wrong. Any errors would show up here marked with a red X. I can quickly make a PDF accessible to all users with the Action Wizard. I've got a financial report I need to send to shareholders. Since it's going out to the public, it's important that it's accessible. Go to File, Action Wizard, and choose Make Accessible PDF UA1. I'll click Start. It prompts me to add things like a title, subject, author, or keywords, or I could just leave them as is. Next, Foxit will automatically tag the document. I'll set the reading language. Then, I'll be prompted to add alternate text for any images or mark them as decorative. Foxit will prompt me to save the document. This document is now PDF UA compliant and ready to share. PDF accessibility is necessary across many industries. Course syllabi and exams in education, statements and disclosures for banking and financial services, and employee handbooks and benefits summaries in human resources. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.